Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering both devices and opening the right menus. Make sure the T800 has charge and your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. On the watch, go to Settings, then Connectivity, and select Bluetooth to enter pairing mode. Once done, keep the watch screen active so it doesn't time out while searching. Make sure your phone is unlocked and ready to accept pairing requests. This prevents interruptions. Don't skip enabling any prompts that ask for permissions, because the phone needs those to discover the watch. You now perform the pairing. Open your phone's Bluetooth device list and look for the T800 entry. Tap it to start the handshake, then compare the PIN or pairing code shown on both the watch and phone. Confirm on each device. Once paired, the phone will often request permissions for notifications, calls, or media. Grant those so features work correctly. If the watch offers a companion app prompt, install it and follow its quick setup to sync watch faces, contacts, and notification preferences for a complete connection. You finish by confirming the connection. Check that notifications arrive, the battery icon displays, and media controls respond. If something fails, power cycle both devices and try pairing again after 30 seconds. This clears transient Bluetooth states. If problems persist, unpair or forget other nearby Bluetooth devices to reduce interference, or reset network settings on your phone as a last resort. Make sure both devices run updated firmware. Outdated software often causes compatibility issues, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.